Oh, oh. Girl, I want you take off your shoes, run down the dance floor. Take the jamming, baby. I want you show me your moves, girl, how you back so. Take the jamming, baby. I want you there long, 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 long time now. Take the jamming, baby.
Hi everyone, and thank you for watching my channel. So today we'll be doing a clean with me, and today we will be folding and packing clothes. Now I really enjoy watching these videos on YouTube. Like, I could watch it for hours. I just find it so therapeutic. I don't know why. And today I was like, you know what, let me make one. Let me contribute to the clean with me community, you know, because I really enjoy that much. So here you'll find me folding clothes, and yes, I put my clothes on the ground when I'm folding it because it doesn't have any table that is like really big to hold the amount of clothes, so I just put it on the ground, like the ground clean, like, you know. And yeah guys, my Christmas tree is still up and it's matched. Don't judge me, like, I know it's matched. I have no explanation for that, honestly. There's none, absolutely none. So here you'll see me folding up all the clothes, and in a bit when I go to pack it, you'll see me from different angles actually packing the clothes. And yeah, that's about it. So if you enjoyed the video, almost like, you know the drill by now. Like, subscribe, comment and share, you know, show me some love. So I'll leave you all to enjoy the video and the music, because you know it have that soca inside there, and I'll put all the links to the music in the description box as well. So in case you all like it, you can always go and listen to it. Okay, so thank you for watching, and until next time, goodbye.
Watch out for them, I say watch out for them. When you go out on the road, still watch out for them. Watch out for them, I say watch out for them. All on the workplace, watch out for them. Watch out for them, I say watch out for them. I say they're all in your circle. Well, if you're blessed, then you know, say